sunshine, a bottle of wine, talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're kind of alike. Wave our hands at every single airplane in the sky. Under blue skies.
Ay, ano pala ito? Làm sao con màu như sao con lại mở yung headphones ko. Aray ko, picture ko. 10K na BNB. Wow! Ay, ganda rin dito. Oh, order mo siya. Uy, beer tayo. Ayun. Uy. Tingnan mo yung name. Uy, beer tayo. Check. We here. Hi guys, we're gonna see my family now. Go, go, go. Hello!
Kandag mo lang, dahil mo lang. Mama! Uy, Ate D!
Room tour, mag-beer house kami. Room tour, ang gulo-gulo.
Uyin mo na lang ulit yung ano.
Grabe. Wow. Tara. Mag-inom na tayo.
Kailangan pagkain, porridge.
Mag-inom na tayo, guys. Tara. Yun lang yung hotel namin. Yun lang. This one. Tapos ito na yung beer street. Smile, mama. Wow. Yes, honey.
Recycle ko si crab.
Talaga 7. Time to go home. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Just here. We're home. We're staying at Hanoi Center Silk. Dito. Ay, may nagpindot na ba? Ay, meron. Alright, makakapahinga na din. Wow! Ang ayos dito ah. Wow, ang ayos. Perfect. Oh, perfect. Recreate namin.
Sa baba ka pa. Matulog ka na.
Teenager ka?
Sige na, sige na. Ate Len, dito ka. Ate Len, sa baba ka pa. Yung isa pang
Ano naman? Hi guys, this is our outfit
For today.
This is me.
This is
Sorry. This is blue. Here.
And this is Ate.
This is sister.
Hello.
Where is your Louie?
Louie.
Louie nga.
Hello guys.
Vietnam.
Lasang pares. Hindi ba yan na mismo? Yung mga nagbabayad. Thanks pa.
Asan?
Yummy ma?
Gusto mo na?
Yummy? Okay. Tawid time. Tawid na kayo? Oh, let's go! Woo! Let's go! Very good. Foggy. Ang ganda! Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Wow, beautiful girl. Wow.
Ano natin na sa kabila?
Ito na po yung financer natin.
Oh, may 500.
Meron naman. Give me my money. Oh, hello ka naman dyan, boss.
Thank you. Okay.
Nakuha si Papa na nakatingin.
Palayo mo na muna. Palayo mo naman kayo sa dito. Game?
Oh, everything's alright. You got that sunshine kind of love. You got that groovy kind of hugging. The kind that makes you crazy. Makes me wanna call you baby.
Kay mama, kay mama.
Hi na.
Hi na. Sabi niya sa akin, hi na, hi na. Sabi, parang siyang manyak, di ba? Bastos.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Len.
Please.
Yay!
What's your wish?
What's your wish, anak?
Wish kasi complete na.
Okay. God
Ay,
bless on your birthday,
Yung
anak.
wish ko, mga PR ng friends.
Yes. Mang matupad yan.
May wish ako.
Anong wish mo pa for
My
Len?
wish for my daughter
Is-
is to celebrate her birthday
Again?
on the 29th. Happy birthday at our beloved homeland. Anyway, the compliment here is because you us here in Vietnam. How I wish someday in our homeland.
Okay.
Happy birthday, my dear.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ayaw ang kamay mo.
Kamay mo daw. Ang lakas.
Papa,
Boses
pa.
niya kanina, binabasa niya
Papa.
yung
1, 2, 3.
How I wish your heart's desire.
Yung dito nga nakaupo ako
About you,
dito.
Mama. What is your
My wish for my second child is kung ano man yung wish niya ay matutupad.
1.
Toast.
Let's toast to that.
Let's drink to that. Okay.
Pero ayan,
Okay.
yan.
Sure, the cake. So, this is it. Happy birthday, Len. Hi, boy. Ako din. Dito nga makikita sa sarili
Ay,
ko.
ganito ma.
Kaninong phone sa'yo?
Hello.
Sa'yo.
Hello, Len.
Phone ko?
Happy birthday, Lena Rose. Kumintar pa ako. At least, complete tayo sa birthday ni Len ng 28th birthday mo. Len, no?
Ano na?
Hello, Bob.
Ano na? Enough mo na ba?
Everything's alright. You got that certain kind of love. You got that groovy kind of hugging. The kind that makes you crazy.
Happy birthday. Dito rin ang pusa sa ating.
Happy birthday.
Ayun
O, cheers na tayo.
Okay.
Maganda na masyado yung wish ni Papa sa akin. Enough na yun.
Thank you.
So, next year.
Yes.
Isa na lang. Withdraw time. This one I like. We are going to Uniqlo. Guys, nasa Burnham na tayo. Parang nasa Burnham Park. Basta kayo dyan, guys.
This is Burnham Park, guys.
Burnham Park in Vietnam.
Ano nila? Yan?
Yes?
Turtle House.
Wow, house.
Diba, Dino?
House?
Turtle Tower.
Lovely couple. Wow. Oh, kiss! Kiss! Kiss sa lips! Kiss sa lips! Wow! Lips naman dyan! With tongue. Charot. May jorts na dito. Ah, cute. Try mo. Go. Ayun na.
Parang parehas yung kulay ng ano na.
Night market. Bili na kayo. Grabe. Uniqlo ko. This one. Pang grade 2 na lalaki. This one. Thanks, Papa. Thanks, Pa. Love you. Doon ka na. Sige na.
Di ba bata ko sa mga pangit na picture?
Ikaw.
Sa mga picture.
Empake time for tomorrow. Sneak peek. Kami ni ate, di naligo na kami. Ay pa!
Bakit?
Naka-headphones ka na naman. Ano yun?
Yakap tayo at niyakap niya natin si Papa, sabi niya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ay!
Guys, this one is yummy coffee. Wake up.
So yun ang ikapin natin tomorrow.
Yes. 6 dapat nandun na tayo sa terminal.
Happy birthday to you.
birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wow, may light!
Thank you.
Wala pala tayong light.